BTC milestone achieved. It's Friday, October 18th, and this is Exodus Market Daily. Earlier today, the 18 millionth Bitcoin was mined. This is a significant milestone because it illustrates the inherent scarcity built into Bitcoin, with a mathematical cap at 21 million coins. This means even at this very early stage in the evolution of the new currency, over 85% of it has already been put into circulation. Of course, the caveat is there's an estimate that over 4 million of these coins are lost to circulation in the form of Satoshi's keys and keys which are lost or their owners have died. The Bitcoin is not recoverable. Of course, there's an estimate that over 4 million of these coins are lost to circulation in the form of Satoshi's coins and keys that have been lost. Let this be a cautionary tale. Don't lose your keys. Nevertheless, by the time the last Bitcoin is mined in 2140, the world's population will be over 11 billion people, which means the fraction of BTC in most individuals' wallets will be worth a heck of a lot more than it is now, and instead of saying Bitcoin, we'll be saying Satoshis. This 18 million milestone comes just a few months before the halvening. If you came into the ecosystem in 2017, you may not be familiar with the halvening. It's when the reward from solving a Bitcoin block is cut in half. The current block reward is 12.5. The first block rewards were 50 BTC, when blocks didn't take as much computing power to solve and the difficulty to solve a block was much less than it is today, or will be in the future. The halvening happens every 210,000 blocks, or 4 years. Keeping it simple, this means future Bitcoin will become more rare and more valuable as the block rewards decrease. If there were any greater argument to get into crypto as soon as you can or accumulate more, I don't know what it is. Well, I might be able to think of some other good arguments, but that's for a later show. If you would like to keep up with the halvening countdowns, see the link for thehalvening.com in the description. Now, this is all good news for Bitcoin and crypto in general. Unlike money printers, Bitcoin's value is tied into its scarcity, which is ruled by math, instead of a few humans deciding what's best for them. This is better finance. Changing perspectives, we're going to look back on the week and see where we're at in the markets. The overall crypto market cap ended down about 1.5% this week at $217 billion. 21% of assets ended in the green in the last 7 days, while 79% of the assets in the market saw red. Just to put that into perspective though, BTC gains are up almost 22% in the last year, and year-over-year gains have been the trend since its inception. BTC dominance remains steady at a smidge over 66%. All right, jumping into the demo wallet, you can see the overall portfolio balance is down this week. We can see it makes sense because there's 33.5% is made up of BTC, and the BTC price is down today. We're going to take a look at that. Under 8K, we've been kind of waffling in this small range between 8K and 8.5K. It actually went down this morning. Current price is $7,943. We have a negative 1.7 24-hour change. The market cap down a little bit to $143 billion, and 24-hour volume is $15.2 billion. Looks like there's plenty of coins on the market, which may be helping keeping the price down. We'll wait and see. I've seen some predictions that we're going to hit 7,500. I've also seen predictions that we're going to hit 16,000. in a run. So it's beyond me to be able to say what the price is going to be. Just kind of show you a snapshot of what's happening in the market now. Number 2 by price, Maker at $485, up just about 0.5%. We've got a $14 million 24-hour volume and a $485 million market cap, followed by Bitcoin Cash at $213. Ethereum, number 4, doesn't look much different than yesterday, except it's down a little bit. Both are down close to 3%. Bitcoin SV, seeing some green today at plus 2%. We've had a little bit of a flippening, it looks like. Very interesting. Price is $90.49, followed by Dash. Monero, even though it's down 4.68%, it was $59 yesterday, $57.3 today, $103 million 24-hour volume with just under $1 billion market cap here, followed by Litecoin, Zcash, Binance Coin, GNO, negative 3.1% at $14.50. Decred holding just over $14 at a negative 4% loss. Going to take a quick look at the winners and the losers. Bitcoin SV, interesting, at the top of the 24-hour change winners list with a very small 2% gain, as we mentioned before, followed by Rep, Salt, Lisk, Maker, and Nem. Barely in the green. The rest of the portfolio is in the red. Looks like once Bitcoin went under 8K, everything else kind of followed in that downtrend. All right, flipping this the other way and taking a look at the 24-hour losers, we see PPT as the biggest loser at minus 8%. No double-digit losses. So while everything is in the red, we see just a handful of assets over 5%. The rest get down here into the 2%, negative 2% range, again, following Bitcoin. Thanks for spending another week with us, everyone. Please make sure to like, share, and subscribe to the Exodus movement. A download link is in the description to get started with Exodus desktop or mobile for free. Have a great weekend. We'll see you on Monday.